Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can record your Skype video calls. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. Open your Skype app and make a video call like how you do regularly. And after that, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the three dots that you see on the bottom right corner, and there you see the option of start recording. Just tap on start recording and it says the recording is about to start, and there we are. So all of this is being recorded right now, all of this video and sound. So that is how you basically record your Skype video calls. Every time you make a call, you just tap on the three dot and tap on start recording. And now if you want to stop the recording, you can just go ahead and tap on the dot that you see on the top left corner, or just tap on the three dots and tap on stop recording. So I'll just go ahead and tap on the three dots and tap on stop recording. So I'm gonna go hang up this phone, and if you wait for a few seconds, the recording that we just did will appear on this chat box. So it'll just take few seconds or few minutes. So as you guys can see, the video that we just made or recorded has appeared. So that is how you basically record your Skype video calls. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar updates.